There is a huge difference between theory and practice. And at some point, you just need to go out and test if your ideas actually work. My name is Sebastian Klaus. I'm the founder and CEO of Klaus Space Transportation, and our vision is to make space transportation sustainable. We build inflatable atmospheric decelerators, so it's a kind of high-velocity parachute to recycle and reuse rockets. We have a prototype of a 1:10 scale rocket first stage, and we are going to drop that rocket from a helicopter from 600 meters altitude. The main risk is that the fairings that encapsulate the IAD will not open in time. We are doing this test for the very first time, so preparation is everything. So they will also have a GPS, and this on the east side is where we conduct the test. What we do differently is that we enclose the whole rocket inside the IAD. This protects the rocket, so it acts as a heat shield at re-entry, and it also protects the rocket when it does a water landing, so it makes sure that the rocket engines, which are very sensitive, do not touch the corrosive salt water. As soon as we are at the test site, we activate the prototype and make it ready for the drop.
Die Aufgabe hier startet mit prompt in 5 seconds. Counting down. Drop down in 3, 2, 1, now.
What's unique about the system is that we take air from the atmosphere to inflate the system. We are using a special ceramic fabric to make sure that it can withstand temperatures of more than 1000 degrees Celsius. This allows us to build like very, very lightweight. And also our technology does not use any fuel, so it's completely eco-friendly.
Yes.
The team has been doing night shifts to make this happen. I'm really proud of the team. They put in a lot of effort and they made it happen.
Good job.